How to delete blocked contacts in WhatsApp without unblocking. Hi everyone. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how to delete blocked contacts in WhatsApp without unblocking. Now, if you open up your WhatsApp application and then log in into your account, once you're logged in and tap the three dot icon from the top right hand side corner, go to settings, and here scroll down a bit and go to privacy. After you go to privacy, scroll down a bit and under it you'll be able to find block contact. So you can see these are the list of contact that's actually blocked on my WhatsApp. In order to delete the contact, you'll not be able to do it unless and until if you unblock them. So as you can see, if I long press on it, I'll have to unblock it. Only then the contact will be deleted from my WhatsApp history. However, what else you can do is, in order to delete the contact on WhatsApp without unblocking them, you'll need to exit out of the WhatsApp, head over to your contact, and here look for the contact that you've blocked. So in my case, this is the particular one. Once you open up the contact history, tap the three dot icon and click the delete button. As soon as you do that, now you've successfully deleted the contact from your blocked history as well. In this way, you can delete the blocked contact on WhatsApp without unblocking. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.